Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're going to be looking at the Rexspeed carbon fiber spoiler for the Supra. And this one I got from Speed Industry and it took about 2 weeks to come in. Seems like most of these spoilers are either sold out or back ordered on every single website. So it was really nice to see that it came in fairly quick considering the supply issues. So you can see here I like spoilers, especially carbon fiber spoilers. I have a CS style spoiler on my 3 Series and I wanted something similar, but I didn't really like the CS style for the Supra. So getting started, we have the primer, the 3M tape, the instructions, and the spoiler itself. Now I didn't follow the instructions very well and it did cause for a small gap to be at the back, but it is not really noticeable, so it's okay. When you unwrap it, you'll notice that the spoiler is pretty much ready to go. Some people, wipe and prep it, but really the only thing I think you need to do is put the primer on. So to do that, I just used a microfiber cloth, put the primer on it, and wipe the car first in the area which the adhesive is going to be. And then I also did the same for the inside of the spoiler. After that, you can put the tape down. It was fairly easy to do this, and I highly recommend keeping certain parts where you can fit it and then pull the other side of the tape out. That would have helped me a lot. So that's it. This is what the car looks like. I showed a few of those photos in the beginning. I hope you like it, and be sure to like and subscribe, or let me know in the comments if you have any questions.